Hey, hi, lovely people. Welcome back to our happy place. I hope all of you are doing great and staying safe, as the same with us. Today's video is going to be a beautiful one, and yes, it is going to be 14 indoor plants to style your home, and the plants that we have and collected over a period of time that we have used to style our home. Whether you are feeling a bit down lately or you are in a desperate need of a change and fresh air, having indoor plants decorating your home is a great way to go. Whether you simply want to redecorate or to be surrounded by more greenery, then this video is sure a good one for you. Today, I want to talk to you about our new personal development towards indoor plants and how we can style them in different ways to decorate your beautiful homes. Most of us have no idea that the quality of air can affect your overall health. Houseplants add not only beauty but also helps in a lot of health benefits. So to begin with, this is the beautiful common plant that we use, the golden pothos, which is commonly known as money plant, or it is also called as devil's ivy. These are hanging vines and it can also be propagated in water. You can also have them in soil after the propagation in water is done. These are very inexpensive and very easily available plants that you can get from any nursery or by just a cutting from other plants. So I have propagated these beautiful pothos in water. I have them in soil as well, but these are kept indoors, so I have them in various planters. So this is a DIY, just an upcycled Horlicks bottle, and yes, it looks so beautiful. You can place them anywhere just to give it that aesthetic look in your home. Always make sure to increase your home's overall model, and eventually you will be able to want to look into indoor plant deco ideas to complement your home's aesthetics. So over here I've just upcycled this beautiful ceramic cup by painting it in the color of our home and having pothos added in it. So the second plant is this Ficus elastica, which is Tinicky. It is a rubber plant. The Ficus elastica tinicky or variegated rubber tree is a popular variety of ficus known for its beautiful pink, green and yellow leaves. The tinicky's striking variegation and easy growing nature makes it perfect to a new plant to add to your sill of this year. The pot that we got the plant in wasn't looking too good, so we just thought that we would wind this jute rope and make it look like a beautiful piece over here. So we placed it on our vanity and it completed this area. So the third plant is the ZZ plant that I'm going to talk to you about. Looking for a low maintenance house plant to spur up your space without a big commitment? Look no further than the infamous ZZ plant, which is also called as the Zanzibar gem. This plant is categorized by their shiny oval-shaped deep green leaves. The ZZ plant makes an excellent addition to any home or office. So if you can see, the planter wasn't too good, hence we thought that we will just do an upcycled DIY planter. So over here we just used this plastic container and had this jute rope decorated on it. So now the ZZ plant planter was ready and I just placed it in the desired spot. The ZZ plant is one of the toughest indoor plants out there. They can thrive in areas with both low and high amounts of light, making it a great choice for a house plant. The ZZ plant has also the ability to remove air toxins at a high rate, which makes this a healthy and desirable plant. So moving on to the fourth one. The fourth plant is the Monstera adansonii, which is pretty much a tropical plant. And you can see how lush and green the leaves are. It is so beautiful, and yes, it is an air purifying plant. This house plant is just an iconic one. It has smaller leaves but grows much faster. In the growing season, it makes a few new leaves every week. It's an easy to care for plant. All you got to do is just have them in your house and you will find the difference in the air, as it is a beautiful air purifying plant and removes all the air pollutants. So the fifth plant is this Crassula ovata or the jade plant. It is a beautiful indoor plant. Bring a little luck or at least a little beauty into your home with these gorgeous types of jade plants. They are like succulents. Care for them are very easy and of low maintenance. They are a good choice for houseplants. According to Feng Shui, it is a lucky plant, a friendship plant as well as a money plant. It is thought of a good luck and a good fortune plant as well. It is very beautiful and it is a good piece for home styling. Coming to the sixth plant is the Syngonium, the white butterfly or the arrowhead. It is a beautiful vining plant. It makes an incredibly satisfying house plant. It is relatively easy to care for, grows very quickly with good care and is a super easy plant to propagate. So over here, if you see, I've just propagated all these beautiful Syngoniums in water, and yes, they grow so quickly in water, you can also transfer them to soil. So I'm just placing them on my TV unit over here next to this beautiful jade plant. Be it by using hanging plants, ceramic bowls or even using indoor plants as decor, you can decorate your house by using indoor plants in various and creative fun ways. Moreover, plants are great at purifying the air in your home by filtering out everyday pollutants. The seventh plant is going to be this beautiful Aglaonema Silver King. So over here we've done a bigger planter for this guy. Aglaonemas are lovely decorative house plants and are beautiful for indoor styling plants. They are air purifying plants as well and remove all the toxic air. They come in large varieties of beauty and color variations. This is a wonderful green and cream variegated foliage. It is an easy to grow plant. The eighth one is the Peperomia marble plant, which is a perennial native to the tropical regions of Central and South America. Its short, sturdy, thick stems, circular leaves which are deep jade color and retains most of its water. It is very easy to care for and requires similar habits as succulents. So the ninth plant is this beautiful rubber plant that we all have in our homes, and it is a beautiful styling plant. So over here we just use a cloth to just wipe off the excess dust so that we can help the plants grow better. Rubber plants are a favorite among house plants because they are strong plants, low on maintenance and very easy to care for. They are enjoyed as medium-sized house plants as well. So over here, since the planter wasn't too good, we just upcycled this beautiful little container and placed our rubber plant in it. With the right amount of care, your indoor rubber plant can grow into an impressive, tall indoor tree-like plant in your home. So yes, it is just by the window, so it gets bright light, but it is indirect sunlight. The 10th plant is this little beauty that we have been having in all our videos. I have showed a lot of videos on this plant. This is also a money plant, but it is a variegated version from the plant that I had. As you can see, the leaves are really big, so it is also a less maintenance plant. The 11th plant is this dwarf snake plant. They are low on maintenance and it is such a beauty which gives so much of styling to your home. It is also an air purifying plant and easy to care for. The 12th plant is this Song of India, a native to the islands of the Indian Ocean. This broadleaf evergreen plant will grow often up to 18 to 20 feet in the wild, but is very suitable for as an indoor plant or home styling plant. It will serve as a tabletop plant or as a decor piece anywhere in your home. It is relatively easy to care and it is an eye-pleasing foliage. So over here I have placed this beautiful Song of India plant in this planter, which is from Amazon, and it is a best air purifying plant. It is low on maintenance and it is an easy to care for plant. So that is the finished look over here for my console. So right next to this over here, I've just placed this DIY planter and I'm just placing our beautiful Enjoy Pothos in it, which is the 13th plant. Enjoy Pothos is known for the sharp contrast of its white and green variegation. It's a delightful plant to have as a great house plant and a home styling plant. It's an easy plant to maintain and also an air purifying plant that you can have on your tabletops or anywhere as you prefer. Last but not the least is this Erica palm plant that we have in our home. I have placed this near my vanity, and just to give it a beautiful look, we have upcycled an old plastic container to use it as a planter. We absolutely love the pure showbiz look of this palm plant. It brings immediate impact to a room and gives it that glitz and glam effect, the perfect accessory to style your home. So that's it for now, guys. I'm so happy that we got to share all our beautiful indoor and air purifying plants with all of you. I'm sure it is going to be useful. So if you are new to our channel, please do consider subscribing. Do like, comment and share. Do not skip this video. Do watch the entire video. Give it a big thumbs up. Do let me know what you think about it, and I would love to see all your comments as usual. Please stay safe and stay blessed. Thank you for now. See you in the next coming videos. Bye.